Rights. Human rights. What does this phrase mean? And why has it been given to humans alone? Tough question, right? Ideally, animals should have been given rights too. But not many people are speaking about animal rights. It's a totally different conversation. Let's get back to the lesson. The concept of human rights can be described as opportunities provided for an individual to live with equal rights and freedom to express with dignity. Where do these human rights come from? Why do we need them? These are loaded questions. Let us explore this concept together. The concept of human rights gained importance as more and more countries adopted democratic governments. We gave these rights to ourselves. After the second half of the 20th century, most of the governments were elected by people based on the principle of one vote per person. By this time, the world had also seen a lot of bloodshed in wars and violence. People around the world were seeking a change in the way governments and leaders behaved with common men and women. Thus, governments started giving importance to the life and livelihood of each and every individual. So, why do we need these human rights? The leaders of the world realized that every human should be accorded rights to enable them to live a happy and dignified life. They started giving importance to human rights. All human beings in this universe need to satisfy their basic needs like food, shelter, education, status, and gender. More importantly, justice, liberty, equality, and security are also protected by the law. Imagine a life without all these freedoms. Justice involves non-arbitrary implementation of laws and punishment to those who violate rules and regulations of the government. Liberty is the freedom to choose one's religion, occupation, and way of life. The principle of equality ensures that no individual is treated differently because of his or her religion, mother tongue, community, or appearance.
When all the citizens of the country are provided with security, they can live without fear.
Human rights secure all these needs for all humans and help the human race to sustain dignity within. It also guarantees rights and creates opportunities for the reformation of the society. Human rights has become widely acceptable in the 21st century. A large majority of humanity has accepted these principles. Therefore, fundamental rights have been assured to citizens of a large majority of countries by their respective governments through their constitutions. As far as democracies and governments are concerned, rights are like a protective layer or a blanket protecting citizens from the government or other powerful citizens. Protection from what? Well, protection from harm, discrimination, and unwanted interference in the personal life of any individual. If any individual faces any violations against his or her fundamental rights, such as equality, religion, freedom, and spiritual development of individuals, the country's courts will get involved to protect the rights of its citizens. By December 10, 1948, the General Assembly of the United Nations, or the UN, has accepted the list of human rights, which were framed by experts. This Charter of Rights is meant for all the people residing all over the world.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.